Hey, beautiful people, compliments of the season. Let me show you how I do my glow up skincare routine. Now, skincare is not just about applying body lotion daily, it's also about bringing out one special day to give back to your body all the tender love and all the appreciation for always answering you every moment of the day. So I am starting up today's glow up routine with aloe vera gel. That is fresh aloe vera. So what I'm doing here is preparing my fresh aloe vera to be used. Now, if you are someone that have not used aloe vera gel before on your skin or fresh aloe vera on your skin before, you need to actually cut it like this and soak it in the water for some time, because if you don't soak it, it has this yellow liquid in it that can really, cause you itching and, be cause you some sensitivity on your skin, especially itching. So you need to soak it. So for those of you that have not used fresh aloe vera before, this is how to prep it. Cut out the edges, cut out the head, and then cut it into bits. Wash it, put it inside water, okay? And also rinse out the water you used to soak it before, using it. So while I'm soaking it, we are going to go ahead and do our shaving routine. Now, I am using this type of shaving stick because honestly, this is the best that I can use at this time because, yeah, it is sharp. Most of the times, I buy the shaving sticks and they are not sharp. So, this one is the best that I'm using now, but you really need to be careful. Just in case you want to get it like me, you need to learn the art of using this type of shaving stick. Okay, so you don't cut yourself. Yeah, so this yellow thing inside this container that looks weird, that is my Damalis face cleanser. I actually broke my bottle and I used I saved the little I could inside that particular rubber just so know that it is Damalis anytime you see it. So basically here what I do is to use my cleanser to cleanse my armpit. So this is the Damalis for those of you that don't know it. So I use my Damalis first. You can use any cleanser for this. Once the cleanser has salicylic acid in it, you can use it. So why I basically use this is to get away maybe dirt, any form of bacteria or something like that. And why I really like using this Dermalis is that it has, brightening effect also that can benefit your armpit. Then I go ahead and use my tomato gel. So you can use tomato gel, you can use snail gel, you can use aloe vera gel. But one thing I found out about aloe vera gel, because that's what I used to use before, is that it dries up. Like when I'm using it, when I'm in the process of shaving, it dries up. But snail gel and aloe vera gel, I've found them to be most convenient. It doesn't dry out. Okay, so it stays on my armpit until I am done or until I clean it out. If you have used aloe vera gel before and then use tomato gel or snail gel, you are going to see this difference that I'm talking about. So with this particular shaving stick, you need to be cleaning it, like to be wiping it as you are using it. So yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing. I reapply and then shave again. So this step is really very simple for me, but one thing that I really like is using the Dermalis. I found out that since I started using it, it has really helped to, brighten my armpit. As you can see, like after shaving, my armpit just looks like my hand. The complexion is very bright and all of those things. So let me go ahead and do the second armpit, which I am basically done at this time. So now I am done soaking my aloe vera gel, washed it, and now it is time to use it. So now fresh aloe vera gel offers benefit like soothing to sunburn. If you have sunburn, fresh aloe vera gel is going to be beneficial to you. It also helps to moisturize the skin. It also helps to reduce inflammation, which is that it is beneficial to people that have oily skin, that have acne prone skin, and it also helps with wound healing. Okay, it has vitamin C and vitamin E, which also means that it has anti-aging properties, because anything that has vitamin C means that it can help to boost collagen production on your skin. So basically, I'm using it on my face right now, massaging it around my eye. If you have dark eye circle, you have tired face, you have tired eyes, this routine is really, really like using aloe vera gel this way to sort of massage your face. One thing again you can do is to even freeze it. You can freeze it and use it to do this face massage, and you are honestly going to like the results you are going to get from it. So I'm just pinching it, I slice it with a knife, then I use my fingers to poke it to get out all the gel. This method I'm using to use this, you're not going to get enough gel out. Okay, so it's best to slice out the gel and blend it normally, but really I didn't do all of that. So I just use it like this, which was also okay for me. So here I'm basically applying it all over my body. So as I said, this is a full body routine. When you are like, the key to having that glowing skin, to having that plump skin from your face to your toes, is basically giving the same energy you give to your body, to your face, giving it to your whole body. So this aloe vera gel, now I'm not just using it on my face. I basically used it all over my body, and that is what I am showing you. So I use it on my chest, my armpit, my hands, my legs, every single place that I could show you and I cannot show you. So I use it every single place. So today is those days that I set out to do a full pamper body routine. These things are really, really important. Like, it you do things you don't do every day. These are not things you do every day. These are not even the things you do like every single week. These are things that you do like once a month, once in 3 months, just to pamper your skin and basically give that good vibes, good energy, tender loving care to your body, so that it's going to know that, yeah, you appreciate it for all the good work that it does for you. So now I'm adding honey to the aloe vera gel on my face. Honey is great for the skin because it's a natural humectant, which means that it hydrates the skin. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which means that it helps to fight acne, and it also soothes the skin. It gently exfoliates the skin, which means that it helps to remove dead skin cells, and its antioxidants help with anti-aging, promoting a healthy glow, fading scars, and speeding up healing. So aloe vera gel has similar skin benefits with aloe vera gel, but I couldn't just help but top it up, because if you know me, you know that I am a sucker. Like, I love honey for the skin. There was a time I was using honey every single morning, and I'm going to tell you that it is a huge contributor to how smooth and how clear that my skin looks. It is really, really good in exfoliating the skin, in clearing the skin, in fighting acne, and basically hydrating the skin. So I'm just topping it up here to get that double benefit, because today is everything goes in. So why not? Since I have honey, I just had to apply it on my face. So the aloe vera gel that I applied on my body, and the honey, and basically everything I applied on my body, I allowed it to stay like 30 to 40 minutes on my skin. Then I went to have my bath. So right here, I'm done showering. and I want to show you my skin routine for today. So first of all, I'm going ahead to use my Dermalis cleanser on my elbows. I recently noticed that my elbows were getting a bit darker because I've been working frequently and placing my hands on the table, so I'm having a lot of friction. So this is also to demonstrate to you that if you have dermalis, you can also use it like this to tackle dark parts of your body. Then I went ahead to use my tomato gel. This is also to add extra hydration to my skin. Remember, I said this is a pamper routine. I don't use tomato gel on my skin every single day, no. But today is the day that you give your skin every single thing you have in your locker. Actually, that is good. Yeah, so here I'm going in with my lotion, like a lot of it, a lot of my lotion, and my skin drank it up. Like you're going to see how this lotion disappeared into my skin. So, yes. So this is a reminder to drink water. The best way to hydrate your skin is by taking liquid into your system. No matter how much lotion, how much essence, how much serum you apply on your skin, always drink water. So I always try to drink water when I am doing my skincare routine. Yeah. So yes, drink water. And also I wanted to add that these serums I'm applying and all of that, I am giving them time to seep into my skin before I go ahead and apply the next product. Like when I apply, I give it like 30 seconds to 1 minute to seep into my skin. Then I layer in the next product. You don't just apply one, apply and apply and apply. Everything is just going to, look somehow on your skin. So everything I applied, nothing seemed much on my skin because I allowed one to sink into my skin before I applied the other. So they are all going to get into my skin and perform what they are supposed to do without fighting with each other. Like, can you see how my skin is shining? See my face, my body, everything is giving glow up routine. So this is the soap that I use to exfoliate. I use that soap with my exfoliating glove. So I did the manual exfoliating routine. I didn't use a body scrub. I used that Hawaii vitamin C scrub. It actually did the job for me.